So this is a walkabout like no other walkabouts. Usually when you walk about an FJ40 Toyota Land Cruiser, it's all clean and waxed and everything else, but this is a working truck. So this is a 78 FJ40 LV-KCJA. It's pretty much stock, except 3/4 of the tub from here down, and to the cowling here and all the way back is an Aqualoo 3/4 aluminum tub. I have ambulance doors. I have the side seats, although I've read that these side seats are really dangerous to use because the lap belt goes on your waist, and if you have a sudden stop, that lap belt can damage your kidneys and your hips. And I have all sorts of equipment in here, my oils, ATF, fire extinguisher, some water, a air compressor, tools, roll bar. I'm running Old Man Emu leaf springs, 2-inch lift in the back, 1.5 inch lift in front. I'm using Bilstein shocks, but I'm not impressed with Bilstein shocks. Seems like I feel every crack in the road. I'm wearing Dynapro AT2 Hankook 235 by 75 15 tires, and I love them. I think they're great. They handle real well on cornering and on slick surfaces. I don't think I'm going to use them during the winter though. Disc brakes on front, drums on back. The dashboard is pretty much stock, except for the side defrosters. Pretty expensive little devils, those side exhaust or defrosters. I can't see buying a pair for $200-300. Four-speed transmission, 4-speed transfer case. I got Rixu seat covers. I've got a CB where the radio goes. I've got the stock 2F 4.3 liter inline 6 engine, and I have the Asen 2-barrel carburetor. I've got the vacuum booster for the brakes. The one thing that's not stock is the mini pickup power steering gearbox down here with the steering gear pump right there, made with these brackets. And also the alternator is an FJ40 55 amp alternator with the regulator built onto the alternator, which I like a lot better than having the regulator mounted on the firewall. Stock transistorized ignition. Four-core radiator. It's a good engine. It's probably putting out 140 horsepower. I've got headers, so that helps a little bit. I've got a 9,000 pound super winch on the front and fog lights, and I'm using a 1963 Land Cruiser bezel. They had Land Cruiser on them, and I like that a lot. I think they did away with that in '65. Well, I guess that's about it. I do have roof racks. I never use them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I appreciate the 33 subscribers that I have so far. Help me out with that. Thanks a lot.